Welcome to Element Pack Pro. In this video, we're excited to introduce the powerful new features in version 8.0. Experience a completely redesigned dashboard, dynamic content integration, and creative enhancements like background image parallax and image masking extensions. Kickstart your projects faster with the new setup wizard, customize freely with global custom CSS and JS, and give your brand a personal touch using the white label feature. Ready to explore what's new? Let's dive in. Start with the new dashboard. The updated Element Pack Pro dashboard is now more informative, organized, and user-friendly, featuring vertically arranged tabs like Dashboard, Core Widgets, Third-Party Widgets, Extensions, Special Features, API Settings, Extra Options, System Status, Other Plugins, Get 50% Payout, and License. In the Core Widgets tab, you can activate free and pro widgets individually or all at once. The Third-Party Widgets tab offers seamless integrations with other plugins, while the Extensions tab includes additional tools to enhance your site's functionality. The Special Features tab highlights powerful tools such as Mega Menu, Dynamic Content, Live Copy-Paste, Template Library, and Variation Swatches. In API Settings, configure your API keys to connect with external platforms. Below that, explore tabs like Extra Options, System Status, and more to unlock deeper customization and plugin management. The Setup Wizard. Under the Element Pack Pro Dashboard tab, you will see a button labeled Setup Element Pack. Click on it, it will take you to the Setup Wizard. The Element Pack Pro Setup Wizard begins with a welcome message and a quick overview of its powerful features, including 300+ widgets and ready-to-use templates. In the Choose Features tab, you can activate all widgets, deactivate them, or toggle individual ones. The Integration tab offers optional BdThemes plugins to enhance your design toolkit. In the Good to Go tab, you can import professional templates and access helpful resources. Once you've completed the steps, you're all set to start building faster, smarter, and more beautifully with Element Pack Pro. The Custom CSS and JS. The Custom CSS and JS feature in Element Pack Pro allows you to add and manage custom styling and scripts globally across your WordPress site. Located in the Extra Options tab, this feature enables users to input their own CSS and JavaScript directly within the plugin interface, eliminating the need for child themes or extra plugins. It's ideal for customizing designs, adding animations, or integrating third-party scripts. Once added, the changes apply site-wide instantly. This feature provides developers and advanced users with greater flexibility and control over site appearance and behavior, all within a user-friendly and safe environment. The White Label. The White Label feature in Element Pack Pro allows you to rebrand the entire plugin with your own company's name, logo, and author details, creating a fully personalized and professional experience for your clients. This is ideal for agencies, developers, and freelancers who want to maintain brand consistency and prevent clients from seeing third-party branding. White labeling helps enhance trust, streamline client delivery, and present your services as a complete, branded solution. The Dynamic Content feature. The Dynamic Content feature in Element Pack Pro allows you to display real-time data, such as post titles, custom fields, user info, or WooCommerce product details, automatically pulled from your WordPress site. Instead of updating content manually, you design once and reuse it across pages. While editing a widget like subheading, text editor, or product grid, click the dynamic content icon to select from a wide range of data sources including post, site, archive, terms, user, search, and WooCommerce. Whether you're building blog layouts, team sections, or online stores, this feature lets you create smart, dynamic websites that update automatically as your content grows, saving time and improving efficiency. The Image Masking. The image masking extension in Element Pack Pro is a creative design tool that allows you to apply unique, eye-catching shapes to images in Elementor, perfect for team sections, hero banners, or product showcases. It works by enabling the extension in the Element Pack settings, then applying it via the Advanced Mask section of any image or image box widget. You can choose from a large library of pre-designed shapes, customize the size, position, and repeat behavior to suit your layout, and instantly preview the results. No coding is required. It adds artistic flair, enhances visual appeal, and gives your designs a distinctive edge, all while being easy to use and fully customizable. The Background Image Parallax. The Background Image Parallax extension in Element Pack Pro adds motion depth to your web design by creating dynamic scroll-based image effects. Ideal for hero sections and scrollable areas, it enhances visual appeal and user engagement. To enable it, go to the Element Pack dashboard in WordPress, activate the extension from the Extensions tab, and save the settings. In the editor, add an image widget, then access the Style tab to activate the parallax effects. You can customize the animation with options like orientation, scale, delay, and overflow, allowing the image to extend beyond its container. This feature works by animating background movement based on scroll position, giving your website a modern, interactive look. It elevates your design without needing complex coding, making your pages more dynamic and engaging in just a few clicks. That's not all. Element Pack Pro version 8.0 adds features like Read More toggles, custom Navbar styles, carousel mouse wheel, daylight saving time support, map search, 3D effects, and more. These powerful tools help you build smarter, faster, and stunning websites with ease. Start creating today. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on Element Pack Pro. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest features and tools. Thanks for watching.